In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically save and close a workbook after inactivity in Excel. This is a useful setup if you want to protect your work, avoid leaving files open by accident, or make sure Excel closes itself when it has been idle for a while. We'll be using a simple VBA module inside Excel to make this work, and the process is very straightforward. To begin, open Excel and make sure the workbook you want to use is available. If you plan to apply this to a specific file, it's a good idea to have that workbook open before making any changes. Since this method uses VBA, you may also want to save your workbook in a macro-enabled format afterward so the automation can function properly. Once you're in Excel, press Alt and F11 on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Visual Basic for Applications editor, which is where you can add custom code to extend Excel's behavior. If you've never used the VBA editor before, don't worry. You only need a few simple actions here. After the editor opens, go to the Insert menu at the top. This menu lets you add different components to your workbook project. From there, choose Module. When you click Module, Excel creates a new blank code window. This is where the macro code will go. Now paste the code you've prepared into that module window. Make sure you paste it directly into the blank area of the new module so it stays clean and easy to manage. This code is what tells Excel how to respond after a period of inactivity by saving the workbook and closing it automatically. As you paste the code, it's a good idea to quickly review it for the inactivity timing and any saved behavior it controls, especially if you want to customize how long Excel waits before taking action. Even if you're following a ready-made script, placing it in the correct module is important for it to run as expected. After that, you can close the VBA editor and return to Excel. From here, remember that macro-based solutions usually require macros to be enabled when you open the workbook in the future. If the feature doesn't work later, that's one of the first things to check. That's all it takes to add the foundation for automatically saving and closing an Excel workbook after inactivity. It's a simple automation, but it can be very helpful for keeping your files organized and reducing the chance of unsaved work being left open. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.